Hello friends, I am Ritika. As you have seen in my first video of phonic sound, I have taught you about the long and short vowels. So today in this part 2 video, we are going to learn about broad and middle sound. But before beginning of this video, I want to say you that broad and middle sound are quite different from the long and short sound. So let us start of this video. So as in the first video I have said you about the phonic sound, it has two more types, broad and middle. So in broad sound we can say that it doesn't have any short sound or long sound, same as in the middle, but you need to know that the vowels which in the middle sound will be in any word of the middle. So let us start with the broad sound first. A, O, I, O, and in middle sound we have A, E, O, U, U. So let us start first with the broad sounds. O, L, all, K, O, L, call, B, O, L, ball, B, D, bird, D, T, dirt, G, L, girl, K, M, come, N, none, S, M, some. And now we will do the middle sounds. A, R, M, arm, A, S, K, ask, K, L, K, clerk, B, rug, berg, B, U, K, book, B, U, T, boot, B, U, L, bull, F, U, L, fool, J, U, N, June. Thank you, and I hope you like this video, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and do comments in my video. Bye.